Good morning, Herbal Fam. I'm outside and it was raining, so I was just listening to the sound of the rain so I could soak in all of its therapeutic benefits. Did you know that going outside and listening to the rain offers many health benefits to your body? Some of the things that it does is it improves your mood, it improves your sleep, it also improves your focus. And one of the rarely known things about it is that if you have tinnitus, which is that ringing in the ears that's kind of frustrating and annoying, if you have tinnitus, it also improves that and alleviates tinnitus. So listening to the rain and listening to some of the natural sounds that we find in our environment can be very healing and therapeutic. This was today's herbal tip of the day. I hope you go out and if it's raining where you are, enjoy listening to it, and just maybe you can do some meditation sitting in the rain, and maybe not in the rain, but listening to the rain as it pitter-pats all around you. The more you know, the more you can become. Good luck and good health.